So this is how you can fix WhatsApp calls not showing on your lock screen. It's actually quite simple. If we go on ahead and go to WhatsApp, I can show you two simple and basic solutions to fix this problem. The first one is very simple. Make sure that Do Not Disturb is turned off. Go on ahead and hold this, and as you can see, I have one of the Do Not Disturb buttons on because I'm making a video right now. But if you want calls to appear on your lock screen, make sure that you're not on Do Not Disturb. The second method, which is the most effective, is going to your actual settings for your phone and then scrolling down until you find WhatsApp. So just go on ahead and look for the WhatsApp app, and here we are. Go on ahead and tap on that and make sure you go to notifications. So as you can see, I have allow notifications switched on. That means lock screen, notification center, and banners. Make sure these are turned on if you want your call to show, especially the lock screen one, because if it's not on, then obviously it's not going to show on the lock screen. You could also tap sounds if you wanted to show notifications with a certain sound. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure that this is turned on so that you can see your call in your lock screen. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.